In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mail merge in the new Outlook, making it incredibly easy and efficient. If you're looking to streamline your email communication by sending personalized messages to multiple recipients without showing all their addresses, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First, we'll begin by heading over to the Microsoft Outlook page. This is where all the magic happens. If you're not already there, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Outlook website. Once you're on the page, you'll see the sign in option. Click on sign in to proceed. Now you'll need to enter your login details. Make sure you have your information handy. Type in your email and password, and then simply click on next to move on to your Outlook dashboard. Now that we're on the Outlook dashboard, let's shift our focus to the top left corner of your screen. Here you'll see the new mail button. This is where we usually start composing a new email. But today we're doing things a little differently. Just to the right of the send button, you'll notice a small drop-down arrow. Click on that arrow, and in the menu that appears, select Start Mail Merge. Once you click it, you'll be redirected to a special Mail Merge section. In the Mail Merge interface, you're now free to add multiple email recipients. Let's say, for example, you want to send a message to 3 different people. Go ahead and enter their email addresses in the recipient field. Now this is where Mail Merge shines. When you send out this email, all 3 recipients will get the message, but each will only see your email address in the to field. They'll be blissfully unaware of the other 2 recipients included in the mail. This keeps your communication private and neat, enhancing professionalism. Remember, using Mail Merge is a powerful tool in maintaining the confidentiality of your email recipients' addresses while reaching out to multiple contacts at once. It's particularly handy for newsletters, invitations, or any communication that calls for a personal touch without exposing your entire email list. And that's it. You've successfully initiated a mail merge in the new Outlook. Feel free to explore and experiment with different features within the platform, as it can greatly enhance your email communication efficiency. With practice, you'll become a mail merge pro in no time. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or need further clarification, leave a comment below. Happy emailing!